Bringing you real-time update from NaijaNews TV. The father of Timileyin Ajayi, a gospel singer arrested for the gruesome murder of a cult member, Salome Adaidu, has made an emotional plea for his son's release. Ajayi, who was apprehended after being found with Adaidu's severe head in a polythene bag, has been remanded by Nasarawa State High Court. NaijaNews reports that the sad incident occurred in Gwansaki, Orozo, a community near Federal Capital Territory, FCT, Abuja. While the family of Salome Adaidu continues to mourn the tragic loss of their daughter, Ajayi's father has appealed to the government for clemency. Speaking in an interview with Channels Television, he said,
I beg, help me beg the people.
I want the government to help me so that the matter is settled. I want them to help me beg so that he is released. In contrast, Ajayi's mother stated that she had surrendered the matter to the authorities. If it was one of my daughters they did that to, how would I feel? She said. His mother, however, stated that she would allow the law to take its full course.
I think it's one of my daughter. They did that one to. How do I feel? Ma? You know? So I don't know anything government want to do. Everything is government hand.
While this has generated mixed reactions online, please drop your opinion in the comment box section and stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.